still can't believe we have our own secret lab.
I've been thinking about Jupiter all night. I can't wait to see what we learn today.
Let's go. We don't want to keep Q waiting.
Wow, we are back?
Amazing!
Welcome back, Quantum Kids. Ready for another adventure?
You bet, Q. What are we learning today?
Today we'll explore the fascinating world of energy. Do you know what energy is? Let's start with kinetic energy. Alex, give that swing a push.
Bonnie, I am ready.
Let's look at some examples of kinetic energy.
Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. Now, Leo, can you try the pulley system over there?
This is so cool!
Let's look at some examples of potential energy. The term potential energy was introduced by the 19th century Scottish engineer and physicist William Rankine. There are several types of potential energy, each associated with a distinct type of force. It is the energy by an object's position relative to other objects. As we know, an object can store energy due to its position.
Great job! Potential energy is stored energy, ready to be used.
And this must be solar energy.
Let's look some examples of solar energy. Solar energy is any type of energy generated by the sun. Solar energy is created by nuclear fusion that takes place in the sun. Fusion occurs when protons of hydrogen atoms violently collide in the sun's core and fuse to create a helium atom. Solar energy can be harnessed directly or indirectly for human use. These solar panels, mounted on a rooftop in Germany, harvest solar energy and convert it to electricity. The total amount of solar energy incident on Earth is vastly in excess of the world's current and anticipated energy requirements. Exactly, Maya! Solar energy comes from the sun and can power many things. Try turning on the light. Now, it's time for the energy challenge. You must use kinetic, potential, and solar energy to get through the course. Ready?
I am ready.
I am ready.
I am ready.
Let's go!
Wow!
Wow! It's working!
Well done, Quantum Kids. You've successfully completed the energy challenge. Remember, energy is all around us in many forms.
That was awesome. I can't wait to learn more.
Thanks, Q. We learned so much today.
Yeah, I feel like a real scientist.
Great work, team. Your journey of discovery is just beginning. See you tomorrow for another adventure.